Hello, my name's Jess, and for the Shining Star Award I have nominated Amelia Ford. So when I first met Amelia, she wasn't able to identify anything that she liked about herself. She was very negative about herself and it was really sad to see. So in the year I've worked with Amelia, she's done a complete 180, and now through engaging in my sessions, she was able to turn her mindset from negative into positive. She started to put herself forward for after-school clubs. She went to youth club. She then realised there was going to be an art competition running for the Eisteddfod. So Amelia set herself the goal of teaching herself to use a sewing machine to be able to make a dress to enter into the Eisteddfod. Well, she'd done it. She smashed the sewing machine and she actually won the competition. When on our last session, we decided to use her art talent to create a self-portrait based around positive body image. And Amelia actually drew a beautiful portrait of herself. And when we were chatting doing it, she was able to highlight all of her differences and all of the positive things that she loves about herself and her uniqueness, which I think is amazing that she is now celebrating that. And she actually put a blue around her picture and she said that was her protective bubble. And she called her portrait, "It's okay to be different." And she spoke about how obviously having differences makes us all unique and it makes us special and they should be celebrated, not hidden, and we should be proud of them. So Amelia, you 100% are a shining star and I hope you keep on shining, keep smiling, and you're absolutely amazing.